Hey guys, here we are on the next one. Next one in our range of bearing upgrade changes. We've got the Tatula ct100xs 8.1 TWS. It's a brand new reel, so good time as any to see what the real bearings are like. Do it once more. Nice, audio. Smooth silk, pretty good. Nothing really wrong with it, but we're gonna have we've got a boca bearing kit here. 3 bearings to change out in it. Let's do it. I'll strip it down and we'll get to it and go from there. Hey everyone, here we go. So we've got I've stripped down the Tatula. It's a 100xs. As you can see there, it's a brand new reel. We're doing an upgrade. We've got you've seen just before what it's like with the original bearings. The 3 bearings that comes in the kit from Boca. Your one for the cover here, one for the bearing in here, the outside for your spool tension. Now be aware, this one you can't get from the outside like the Cal cut on the Shimano stuff, and the Chinese reel you can't remove this. This is all solid, so you've got to come back and it's got like a lock ring that goes in behind it. So that's for that one. And the other one is the handle bearing that goes in here. So we'll whack all them in. And then we'll put them back together and see what it looks like. Remember, keep those old bearings. You never know, they might come in handy. Go in some dark, nasty water. Things in the way. So this is the one with the lock ring. Don't know if you can see it down here. So just slides in there and then just locks in. There's a little ledge, little lip there for them to go into. It's like a convex sort of thing that locates the bearing in there. Get back over, put this one on. Again, Boca recommends you don't need to oil them. You can, some people, you do get a little bit of bearing noise. I noticed with the Calcutta that we just finished, there was a little bit of bearing noise there, but nothing, I would say that was out of concern. I haven't touched anything else in there. Again, you get those good brass bearings there. What I have noticed with all the reels is though, your level wind gears are all still the nylon or the plastic underneath, which I thought was strange, especially in the Calcutta. Be actually very interested to see what the Ryoga's like, because I would have thought at a price point, the Calcuttas I think are about $600, $500–600, that all the gears, no matter what gear they are, would be a brass gear. Whether they do it for weight, or I'm not sure, and this is the only one that requires the strength. I would have thought just quality wise and long-term life that those gears as well would be also the same. Sliding back on. Little screwdriver back again. Yeah, sorry about that. Just the camera keeps dropping out. Going into photo mode. For some reason GoPro. There you go, let's click back down. See him sitting right in there in the groove. Remember, you don't want to damage that seal on that bearing, just better make sure that clips nice and tight down there. Rightio. Sorry guys, my app on my phone is not working with the GoPro. Anyway, that's the cover. It's just jammed up on the bolt. I just had to loosen off the spool tension and let it go back in. Rookie mistake. And that's it. Bearing upgrade complete. So we've done the cover bearing, the spool tension bearing in here, and also the handle bearing there. So you can hear that, that's that noise that they mention. A lot of guys do put oil in. I do have the oil here. You can get the Boca oil, lightning lube, high speed oil. As good as quality as the rest of them that are out there. There's plenty that you can and can't get. They say they don't need oil. If you're really old school and you want that drop in there, you can do it. You can hear a little bit of grind. With braid's noisy anyway, so it doesn't really affect me. And that's a bit of a comparison against what we had before. Make him off where he was before. Not too bad. So there we go, brand new bearings, ready to go. That one's ready to go for the tournament, and you get some line on that, and we'll have that one ready to go. That's the Tatula Boca bearing upgrade, 100xs. Beautiful reel, 8for1. This is going to be for flicking into little logs and stuff with little plastics. See if we can't get any barrier when they're off the bite. See, just trying a few other different things. Yeah, hope you enjoyed.